MBOT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Microbot Medical is $1.80, 8.8% down. Where the heck are up for the day, my bad. Where are we heading next? This is how my chart's looking like. I've talked about this plenty of times before, but MBOT is one heck of a bullish market for me. And I'm just trying to be patient to pull that trigger like I did beforehand here. Not only did it deliver, then it came down in such a juicier zone. And the only way that I would kind of afford myself to play this, if it actually pulls down a little bit, a tad bit. If the price gives me no double break, then why the heck would I try and force it? You know, I won't force it, so I'm just saying my rules must be met in order for me to really do anything. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. If no rules are met, then why the heck would I try and force? You know, I won't. So keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned with MBOT and want to make more money trading in a simple, clean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.